It's here, it's here, it's actually here. I get to go and pick it up. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Let's go get it. Oh, God, I hate that car. Anyway, let's go get it. Fuck. There it is. Oh, yeah.
Is that this afternoon's?
Oh, yeah, that's me done, mate.
You've got 2 cars there,
I'm
one
doing nothing. Oh, okay, sweet. Okay, yeah. 14 kilograms. Can you tell what it is yet? Oh, look at this. Oh, look at the size of it. Oh my word. 27 inches. Nice. Oh, you gotta see this bit. Ooh. Another layer, yep. I'm gonna put you down here. There you go. Can you see? Even. Oh. There must be a keyboard. That comes away. Yes. That off the top. Oh. Put that down there. Oh. Oh. How do we get into this thing? Oh, there's something at the back. Oh yeah. Oh, these are just the unboxing experience for any Apple product. It's lovely. Oh, we got a sticker. Something legal. Yep, cool. Oh, I think we're there. I think this is just going to slide right off. Come on. Come on. Frigid bitch. Come on. Oh, here we go. She's a beauty. Where are the power cables? Where? Ah! Visual. Nice. Yeah, nice. Nice. Oh. It's got a port. Oh, we can take some of this off. That's good. Now, there's a little door here where you can upgrade your RAM, and they've got the RAM coming at some point this afternoon. So we're going to go from 8 gigs in here up to 40. Yeah, boy. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. I'm going to put you down. Oh, it goes flush as well. Oh, yeah, boy. Okay. It's flat. No. It's not quite flat. Right. But we'll see what we've got in here. We should have a trackpad and keyboard. Le keyboard. Lovely. Something. And a cable. This whopper. That whopper of a trackpad. Jesus. I can go there. You must be really bored by now if you're still watching me and you've got this far into it. Oh, Sleek AF. Ah, ching boom. Oof, oof, oof. Right, let's make a video. Let's get this cover off. God, I'm so excited. Should I wear gloves? No, I'm not wearing gloves. It's like as close to a wedding day as I'm gonna get in the next decade. We're having snags because I can't work out how to turn it on. Imac. Press the power button to start up the. It's this side, so it should be. Satisfying click. It lives! Okay, getting too excited. It's just a computer. It's just a 5K, £2,400 computer. That's all it is. Such an idiot. Things I could do without. It's the day after, and the RAM has arrived. I need a key. Apparently, you just down on that. Nice. Oh, come here, TP. Can you pull that grey thing out towards it? Ah, ching boom. Right. Now.
That's maximum now.
And I don't need that much RAM anyway.
We planned it, yeah.
But that's 150 quid's worth of 32 gigabyte RAM. And which way around does it go? That. Ooh. Slots into there. Oh my good God. Oh, that's in. Nice. And this goes. Cheapest hour to time to.
Like,
Is this when I just turn it on and it explodes? Or is it?
just short side, put it the wrong way around.
First thing I'm watching, it's got to be Sammy Carlson.
Every day
Oh, I've ruined that.
gives you a chance to renew your vision again.
And that is my iMac working. I've had it for a week and a half now, and I've just edited Thailand on it, and honestly, the dream. Best £2.5 grand I've ever spent. Well, better than my car at least. Yeah, that's the end of the video. If If you made it this far, thanks for sticking around. Ciao.